Hey good people, welcome to Lamu. Welcome to Mnaramu house. So this is it. This is where I am staying. It's my first time to Lamu. I'm not a person for hot weather destinations. So this was one of those where I removed myself out of my comfort box, or my comfort zone. So we came to Lamu and I chose Mnaramu house, and you'll see why. So let me give you a tour. The laundry area. I like the fact that you can get your clothes washed. We do have, for lack of a better word, a butler or someone who helps you in the house, and then we have a chef. So you can have that if you want. If you don't want, it's also an option. But I think that's nice, someone to wash your clothes clean for you. And then we have the kitchen, and that's the chef. You can say hi. That's the chef who ensures your meals are made on time and they're very tasty. Addicted to the mahamri. So that's the kitchen, and you have a chef if you request one. And then we have the pool area. That's George, that's our able butler, someone who helps us around. We have the pool area. It's one of those things that I really liked about the house. I can't swim, but I can float. And I also just liked the fact that I can swim without, or I can float without people looking at me. So it's your own private little pool. And then we have a day bed, and it's a really cool thing. You can sit down, relax, read a book, take a siesta, take a nap. I like that fact. And then we have this sitting area. You can sit, relax, pour yourself some wine, which I'm actually doing because I'm on holiday. And the house has different dining areas depending on where you want to eat. So this is a dining area for the ground floor. So that's one dining area. And then we have two stairways to the place upstairs, to the two floors. So I can use this stairway. It's actually exercise to go up the stairs with all the heat. Another sitting area. I love the way the space has many open areas, many open spaces. You can sit down, reflect, do your morning yoga, do your morning journaling. So this is one room. This is not the master bedroom, but the rooms are quite a good size. So that's one room. I love the fact it has a small balcony over there. And then a wardrobe storage area. We have the bathroom, which is quite spacious. That's one room. There are actually 4 rooms in the house. Then we have another sitting area. So if many of you don't necessarily have to be together all the time, like everyone can do what they want. Yoga mats, definitely. We came with mats to exercise. They also have like this walkie-talkie thing, so you can call them in case you don't want to shout, which I think is a great idea. You can call George on that. We have another dining area, second dining area, which is on the first floor, the mezzanine. And then we have this area, another relaxed area, and that's the entryway that I was showing you down. So I entered outside, and then now you can enter through here. That's another sitting area. And then we have the second room, a bit smaller but still quite spacious. So you have the bed, and then the bathroom and the wardrobes on that side. Not as big, but still can work. And then we go up to the other second floor or first floor. Again, I said it's cardio, like going up and down the stairs. So don't need to worry about exercise. I'm not about to walk on the beach. No, not in this heat. No. So we have another floor with 2 bedrooms. This is a master bedroom. It's quite big and spacious. It's a master bedroom. quite big. We have the balcony and the view of the area, obviously, so the view of the beach. I'm not a person who's very specific. I'm not a person of views, so as long as I'm comfortable, I'm fine. But there you can see the beach from there. You can see the mosque. This thing does wake you up sometimes. So that's it. So if you're sensitive about noise, please don't pick this room. Then we have a bathroom, quite spacious bathroom. My dirty clothes. We have the safe. Then we have the bathroom, quite spacious, the master bathroom. And then what I like about it is, again, the open big windows, open space. Look at the entry, you can see the pool from here. So I like that. And then to the last bedroom, the fourth bedroom, which has this area outside to relax. It has a very great view of the beach. So this has a beach view. It's not as big as the master bedroom, but it's still sufficient. So we have the fourth bedroom. Here it is. Look at that view. For people who love views, I think this is a bedroom for them. I think if you have family, friends, you're a group of people, you can have your sundowners here, you can have your drinks, you can enjoy yourself, bring a speaker, music. And then we have the wardrobe in here. It's quite a mess because someone is here. And then we have the bathroom, another bath. So all the rooms are self-contained. And then we go to the upmost floor, which is like the rooftop. So quite some exercise. So we have the rooftop. A beautiful, beautiful view. Like such an amazing view of the sea. You can relax there with yourself, family, friends. On this side, I love the fact that I can see other houses, other people, the community. And then another dining area. And you can have your massage here, which I already did. So you can have the massage ladies come, do your massage, do your scrub. We have another sitting area. You can sit there in the evening, like to have something to drink before you sleep, for you guys to chat with your friends or your family. And then we have this little bar here. There's a bathroom, so you don't have to go down if you're upstairs to go to the bathroom. If you're on the rooftop, you can use that bathroom. And then we have a speaker. You can sit here at night, enjoy, have fun, connect, chat, and sing. And that's it. That's a tour of Mnaramu House in Lamu. I will be changing my stay and I'll be going somewhere else, so come along. Hope you enjoyed the tour. I'll definitely give you the price range on this video. You can come with your family, with your friends. You can come also with just your partner and have fun. You don't need to occupy the 4 rooms. You don't need to feel the pressure. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye, guys. And have you been to Lamu? Where did you stay? I know the famous Rodani house. It's not far from here. But where did you stay? So hey good people, so this is the second part of the trip and Sean is joining me. Sean, say hi.
Hi.
And the second stay of the trip, we're staying at Majlis, the Royal Suite. And so come along and show you a little bit before we settle down and go to the pool. So this is the entrance. And so there are 2 rooms. So this is, Sean, you can show them, what is this?
So this is the dining area.
The dining area.
And this is the room and this room, and this is the outside balcony.
How do you open?
From here.
Oh, okay.
Then you come out here.
Yeah.
And then there's doors here. There's a balcony.
Okay. Thank you for doing my tour.
And so this is just like this. So this is where I'm gonna be sleeping.
Yeah.
So I'm sleeping there and my friend is there.
So then the bathroom.
So if you come here, that's the lamp and the bathroom is here. And the towels, the bath, and that's it. That's basically it. And I don't know what's this for. It's for basically putting some stuff. So these are the dry clothes for your clothes.
Tell them where you're going.
So I'm going to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. This is where an extra sleep is. And then this is you can to it there, and here you can lie down and put your coffee.
Yeah, right.
Then there's a bed here which is right near the window, and you have another bed.
And that's the bath?
And that's the bar.
Balcony.
The balcony.
Okay, come show them the bathroom. And don't you have your library here? Are you going to do your homework?
No.
Okay, show them the bathroom, show them the wardrobe.
This is the wardrobe right near the bathroom. So this you can put soap, shampoo, towels, and yeah.
And this is?
And that's the safe.
Do you like the royal suit?
Yeah, and the torch just in case the power goes off.
There's a what?
Torch.
Show them on the camera. Okay. And what is this? Really?
A bar. A
Okay.
small bar.
A what?
Small bar. Tiny bar. So you can put
Your drinks and everything. Yeah.
Then
I'm sure there's nothing due to Corona. Okay, and whose hair is this?
Yeah.
Mama's what?
Wig.
Guys, so I hope you've enjoyed the tour.
And my shoes on my suitcase.
What do you say? I hope you enjoyed the tour.
I hope you enjoyed this tour.
Are you going to have fun this midterm?
Yeah.
Are you going to be doing more room tours when you travel with Mama?
Yeah.
Do you ever do any?
No.
Do you travel with Mama a lot?
Alone.
A lot. Okay, bye guys. Hope you've enjoyed the tour, and that will mark the end of my Lamu trip. Bye bye guys.